You know that moment when you pull out your phone just to take a quick photo, check a map, or translate a menu? What if you could ditch the phone entirely and do it all with just a pair of glasses on your face? Today we dive deep into the future, because these aren't just any shades. This is the new Xiaomi AI Smart Glasses. By the end of this video, you'll know if these are the smartest glasses you can buy and whether they're worth your money. Let's begin. Imagine this. You're walking through a foreign city. Street signs in Japanese, menus in Spanish. You snap on your glasses. Instantly, translation appears. No awkward phone lifts. No broken focus. It's just you, the world, and your smart AI assistant. Clear as crystal. That's one of the killer features of Xiaomi's AI glasses. Live translation, real time, on the go. But translation isn't all. These glasses come loaded. They are powered by a dedicated AI chip, a Qualcomm AR1 or Snapdragon AR1. It's not just a dumb camera on your face. Let's talk specs. A 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera sits right on the bridge of your vision. It's 4030 to 3024 resolution. Photos. And 2K video at 30 frames per second with electronic stabilization. You can record first-person video. Want to vlog without a bulky rig? Done. Walk through a festival, a hike, a city at night, hand-free? Press a voice command. Record. It starts. And audio is surprisingly solid, thanks to bone conduction plus open-ear stereo speakers. That means you stay aware of the world. Traffic, friends, whatever, but you still capture high-def video. For busy professionals, students, or travelers, there's the Smart Assistant mode. Glasses can recognize objects, translate text around you, even detect items like food and estimate calories. Imagine shopping abroad or walking through a supermarket back home. Just glance at nutrition labels and get instant info. Let me hit you with more live transcription for meetings. You're in a meeting, maybe a call across time zones. You can record what's being said. At the end, you'll have notes. Instant. No fluff. No extra recorder gear. Design-wise, these are light. Around 40 grams. They sit like normal glasses. Frame, hinge, stylish enough to wear outside. Not a bulky gadget on your face, and battery life good. Xiaomi claims around 8.6 hours of active use on a full charge. Standby life is much longer. For a busy day. Travel or vlogging session, that's solid. Now sure, nothing is perfect. First, availability. Right now, as of launch, the Xiaomi AI glasses are officially sold in China. If you live in the US or Europe, buying them may require imports. That can mean limited warranty, or some features might not work flawlessly, especially anything tied to region-specific services payment, local voice assistant support, etc. Closing parenthesis. Second, privacy and ethics. A powerful, always-on camera-style wearable raises questions. Are people around you aware you're filming? Is filming socially acceptable everywhere? Always stay aware and respectful. Third, ecosystem limitations. Xiaomi designed these glasses to integrate best with Android, especially Xiaomi HyperOS phones. On iOS, expect some features, maybe voice assistant, seamless syncing, or advanced AI functions to be limited or less refined. So who are these for? Digital nomads, travelers, explorers. You wander cities, walk through markets, go off the beaten path. Translation plus camera plus hands-free equals dream combo. Content creators, vloggers, first-person shooters. Want to film your day without bulky gear? Glasses-only tech lovers and early adopters. If you like being first, having new toys, this is a bold move. Professionals, people in meetings, calls, or commuting. Real-time translation, transcription, note-taking, all via glasses. Now, quick reality check for premium countries audience. Us, Europe. If you import Xiaomi AI glasses, you get amazing hardware at a relatively lower price compared to some high-end wearables. But you might sacrifice some user convenience. Warranty may be limited. Some software features could act up, especially voice assistant or payment. Maybe slower updates. But if you accept that and you like to tinker, these glasses can. act as a Swiss Army knife of wearable tech. Let me give you a scenario. You travel to Spain. You arrive at a cafe, food menu in Spanish. You put on glasses. Instantly, English subtitles overlaid on real-world view. You speak hey, JOA, translate, bam, you get translation. Order made with confidence. Next, you walk through streets. You see a vintage building. You hold the camera, photo taken. Then you continue. Record a first-person video, capturing sounds, streets, real vibe. Then later, you show the footage to your family or edit quickly on PC. Your day recorded with minimal effort. That's not sci-fi anymore. That's here now. Let me address skeptics. If you wear prescription glasses, this might be an issue. As of now, Xiaomi's glasses are more like standard frames. There is no widely supported prescription lens option yet, meaning people who need vision correction may not get comfortable use. And open-ear speakers are great, but in very quiet rooms, you may leak sound. It's not ideal for private listening. Finally, social acceptance. If you point a camera on your face all day in some places, people might notice. Privacy concerns are real, but for many of us, this trade-off might be worth it because this device is not about replacing everything. It's about enhancing life, giving convenience, making everyday tasks smoother. Now let's talk about value, the price. For reference, Xiaomi priced the base version starting at about 1,999 Chinese yuan, roughly $270, 280 United States dollars at launch. That's impressive for this level of hardware, camera, AI, audio, smart features, and a dedicated chip. Even the more premium electrochromic lens versions, which add tinted sunglass-type functionality, cost a bit more, but still remain reasonable compared to many high-end wearables. For tech enthusiasts in premium markets, that price-to-feature ratio could make Xiaomi AI glasses a compelling first-generation buy. You get cutting-edge AI wearable tech for less than what many flagships cost, but the risk remains: ecosystem and region lock. If Xiaomi expands global support, refines software, adds prescription frame options, this could become a mainstream wearable. Till then, think of this as a power user early adopter item. Let me give you my verdict and why I think you should keep watching this space. Xiaomi AI glasses represent one of the boldest moves we've seen toward making AI wearable, everyday, and genuinely helpful. They do not feel like gadget for geeks. Instead, they feel like tool for life. For travelers, creators, people who value convenience and smart workflows. If you live in a country where Xiaomi devices are supported, or you're comfortable importing, these glasses are one of the best value buys in 2025 for wearable AI tech. If you need prescription lenses or want maximum convenience, warranty, local support, maybe wait for version 2.0, but keep your eyes open, because after this, glasses might replace more than you think. So if you're watching right now and you like what Xiaomi is doing and you like being ahead of the curve, consider subscribing. Hit that like button if you love smart gadgets. And let me know in the comments, would you buy smart glasses now or wait for future generations? Thanks for watching. This was Tap Tech, where we bring you the future of tech today. Stay curious, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.